Okay, I just installed a wash it and it was simple. So I took it down. I'm going to walk through it step by step. Anyone can do this. The wash it comes with a mounting template. So all that I did was center it on the wall, and using a level, I took my pencil and in the center of each of the mounting dots I marked where I wanted it, and then I used a screwdriver. Whoops. Now one of these is already in because I already did it, but that's okay. And all that you need for this project is a Phillips screwdriver. If you have a drill, it's probably handy, but I did it with a screwdriver. And I didn't put them all the way to the wall because it has these two holes, just like you're hanging a picture. So I left them out on the wall slightly, line it up, and it hangs on the wall. Okay, so I'm going to turn the water off and install the hoses. So all that I'm doing is pushing this black lever to the back to turn my water off. Now my hoses connect to my washing machine here. So first I'm going to uninstall my cold water. And there's some water in my hose. That is okay. Just have a towel handy. And this simply I put over here so that my cold water now runs into my wash it machine. And I'm going to do it like this, and then I'll go back and tighten it. Now I'm going to do the hot water, which wash it doesn't use hot water, but washing machines can be sensitive and need both things hooked up. So just and I bought a cap because I'm never going to need to use that hot water again, which is great. Perfect. This blue hose came with my wash it. There's a part over here that says out to cold water. Okay, that's where I screwed that on. And the other end goes right into this cold water plug. Perfect. Okay, we are down to the last step, which is to take this plug, and right over here is the outlet. So just plug that in there. You'll see the red light goes on in both places. And the last thing is this dial that I adjusted for my water efficiency of my washing machine. Last step, just go through and I tightened everything one last time before turning the water back on, which we'll do next. Perfect. Perfect. And this end over here. Alright, the water level, or excuse me, the water, I'm going to do this really slow. And you'll okay, I hear it starting. I'm double checking that there's no water coming out from me not tightening it well enough, but I think I'm good. Perfect. Push it all the way forward, and I'm ready to do my laundry. Okay. All right. So we're all put together here. I'm just going to throw these towels in so that we can see how the wash is working. Small. I get to put it on cold, which I love. And we're going to start. Here's your blue light. Ta-da! Start using your wash it in less than 10 minutes.